Hi everyone, this is Chef Pradeep. Welcome to our channel for one more interesting video. Today we are going to make chicken tikka pizza. There is lots of recipes online, but I'm going to show you how I make it, and I really like this recipe. If you also like it, please do try. And here I already have a pizza base. It is pour baked, 50% baked. This is a OTG oven, so always I recommend that you bake the pizza base 50%. That will help you to make the pizza much faster in the oven. Otherwise it will take very long time. The base, raw base sometimes does not cook properly, all that things there. So if you want to know the recipe for this pizza base, please click the link above, or if you want only the recipe is right here. Now we are going to make marination for the chicken tikka. For that I have the boneless chicken pieces here. I also have hung curd. Now I will show you how to make the marination for this chicken tikka. I am going to take 1 cup of hung curd, yogurt, 6 tablespoons of oil. Now I am going to mix this together. This is the important step. You make sure that the hung curd and the oil is blended well first before you add anything else. You have to really beat this well till it both merges very well. Now 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Now I am going to mix this. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper powder, just like a pinch cinnamon powder, 1 large teaspoon of chili powder. This chili powder is very hot. This is homemade. So if you are depending on your chili powder, you can increase or decrease. 1/2 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1/2 teaspoon jeera powder, 1/2 teaspoon coriander powder, 3/4 teaspoon salt. Now I am going to mix all this. So once you mix this, you make sure you taste it to adjust if you need more spicy or less spicy, but this is like my standard recipe, so everything which is added in this is fine for me. Finally, 1/2 teaspoon gram flour. This is just to hold everything together when you cook it, and nicely mix this. If you have black salt, do add 2 pinches of black salt in it. I don't have, so I'm not adding. So now the mix is ready. I'm going to add 450 grams of boneless chicken pieces in this. Also few drops of lemon juice. Now I'm going to mix all this and allow this to rest for at least 1 hour. The complete marination is done now. The flavor is very good already. I can't wait to eat it. I'm going to allow this to rest for 1 hour, as I said. Now we are going to cook the filling. For that, here I'm taking 1 teaspoon of ghee or clarified butter. Once the ghee is hot, add 1 medium sized onion chopped and saute the onion for some time till it becomes soft. No need to brown the onions, just till it's soft we have to saute it. The onion is sauteed now. I'm going to add this chicken inside. As you start cooking, this will leave out lots of juices, also some of the oil. So you need to cover this and cook it for some time. That sauce is what we are going to use on the pizza. I am going to cover this and slow cook for some time. To cover this and cook for 10 minutes, then remove the cover. You will see that there is lots of liquid has come out of the chicken as well as from the marination. Now you leave this open and continue to cook slowly so that the excess amount of water will reduce and the sauce will thicken. This is the sauce we are going to use instead of a pizza sauce. So this needs to be thickened a little bit more, and the chicken also needs to be cooked well. So remove the cover and continue cooking it for another 10 minutes. Our filling is nicely cooked. You can see that's just enough sauce in this. It's not very loose. Also the chicken is like melt in the mouth, soft it is. So now we are going to do the finishing of the pizza. This is assembling time. We got our 50% baked pizza base. Now I'm going to put this chicken tikka masala on this. Like I said, there is no tomato sauce on this. This sauce will work as a base sauce along with the filling. That's why this is my favorite. Now after this chicken tikka masala on this, I'm going to throw in some mozzarella cheese. After the cheese, now I'm going to sprinkle some chili flakes on this and a little bit of spiciness. Now this is ready to go in the oven. This is going to go in the oven. Pizza is baked now. It's taken out of the oven. I'm going to cut this. Chicken tikka pizza is ready now. This is how I make without any tomato sauce in this. I use the chicken tikka masala itself as a sauce. I can't wait to taste it. Please do try it. If you have any questions, please post it in the comment section and do check out other videos.